Connecting your TikTok account with the Capcut is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you exactly how to do it. So if you are new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe button, and make sure that you click on the bell icon as well, so that way you won't be able to miss any future updates as well. So I will be attaching the link to the Capcut website in the description below, so you guys can check it out as well. So let's dive right into the video. So what you have to do is basically open up a Capcut, make a project, make sure that you do the project in 9:16 ratio, and once you do that, make sure you complete the project in an editing form. So here, once you have completed the project, it will show you two options: video saved to your desktop or laptop. You can share it now. So simply select the platform that where you want to share it. For example, I want to share it on the TikTok. What I have to do is simply sign in with the TikTok. So just click on this button. So simply you will be redirected to a page where you can attach TikTok with the CapCut. So simply type in the TikTok credentials. For example, I'm going to use my Google account. So by doing so, you will be able to simply upload the videos from your CapCut desktop to the TikTok or YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful.